Assalamu alaikum and welcome to Learn Technical. I am your host Adnan and today we will discuss that most of the time we will face the challenge in Microsoft Excel that how we can combine text cell into a figure cell as well. This is the most challenging part in Microsoft Excel, but most of the time this type of work we need to do in Microsoft Excel, in which we need to combine text and figure in same cell. So today we will learn that how we can combine text and figures in same cell. So let's start the session. But if you are on first time on our channel, so please subscribe it and press the bell notification so you are connected with us for the future session. And one more thing, that do not skip the video because this is the most important session for you to understand it. And let's jump on the screen. For example, we have taken the sales ledger, and in which we will learn that how we can add first name and last name into a full name column with the using of proper function, upper function and lower function. What these three functions will do, if you can see on serial number 4, Adnan Zahoor is the name has been written in capital letters. So I will convert it in a proper function. It means that Adnan A is capital and Zahoor Z is capital, and rest of the all alphabets will be in small. The next thing is Farhan Zahoor. In Farhan Zahoor you can see the all the letters have been in a small. We will convert into a upper level case with the help of uppercase function. Now the next thing is that Rohit Sharma, if you can see some of the alphabets in capital and some of the alphabets in small, so we can also change the name with the proper function case. In the note column we will insert for full name with their total sales as well over here, so it will be a fruitful learning for us now. So first of all we will combine the names. What we need to do is we will click on is equal to and then go to the cell and then shift F7 to press and sign. Then we will quote it and press space, and then we will quote it close, and then we will once again press shift 7 and sign, and then press last. Now you can see it will happen, made the John Ken for us. Now we will drag it. Now this is how we can make all this three. Now this is the case which we need to convert into a lower case. Now we will want, what we need to do is we need to is equal to it, then we need to type lower, then we need to open a bracket, then we need to select a cell, then we need to once again press quote it, space, quote it, and then end sign with select the other cell and bracket close. Sorry, we need to put so this is how it will convert Adnan Zahoor in a lower case. Now the next thing is Farhan Zahoor. What we need to do in Farhan Zahoor, we need to convert Farhan Zahoor in a upper case. So once again we will type is equal to upper, then we will open the bracket, then we will select the cell, then once again press Shift 7 key for AND it, select the AND symbol, then we will quote it, space, quote it close, then once again we need to select another cell, so we need to shift plus F7 for AND sign and select this Zahoor and then close the bracket. Now you can see it will convert all the name in capital letter. Now this is the last option is Rohit Sharma. For proper case we need to is equal to, type proper, open the bracket. Now we need to select Rohit, then shift plus 7 for AND cell, then quote open, space, quote close, then once again we need to press shift F7 for AND sign and select the next cell and close the bracket. Now you can see that this is how it will convert all of these three formulas for us. So this is the way you can combine your text to text only. Now we need to add text width into a figures. Now how it will do? Now what we need to do is press is equal to, now I need to take the name John Ken. Now next thing is that we need to press shift plus 7 for AND symbol. Then what we need to do is select the cell of total. Now you can see John Ken have 1100, but it's not look good. There is something missing. Oh yeah, there is a dollar sign missing. So how we can put a dollar sign? So what you need to do, once again we need to double click on this cell, and what you need to do is you need to, over here you need to insert shift plus and once again, and then quote it open and insert your dollar sign, then space for a presentable look and then quote close. Now see what it will done for us now. If you can see that John Ken have $1100, and now if we will double click on it, then you can see that all have been done in a useful format. If you want to change the format in uppercase, lowercase and proper case, you can do it over here as well. And I hope that you will like this fruitful session. If you like it, please press the like button, and we will hope that you will continue with your journey with us. Thank you and Allah Hafiz.